Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Kunay. So this is for you, top gifter. If you have been one of my top gifters in one of my live streams, thank you so much for the gifts. But anyway, check the comments below if you've been tagged. However, this reading may also resonate with Aries. So, either tag ka or Aries ka para sa'yo to, okay? So, Emperor is taking control, being the boss, having authority over someone or a group of people or a specific situation. Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles reverse. So, there is something na kailangan mong i-finalize para matapos na. Now, this may also indicate na for some reason, I'm sensing intuitively na parang hindi ka sanay na ikaw ang nasusunod or ikaw ang nafa-finalize ng decision. Pero if the situation requires you na to do something, tapos wala namang ibang magte-take over, go ahead and do it na lang. What you need to focus on regarding this situation is lovers. So, this is not just about love or romantic anything. Ang loversing kasi is, for me intuitively, it talks about the feminine and the masculine energy of a situation or of a person. So, parang both sides of the story to. So, how can you pacify all the people involved nang walang gulo? Especially, parang magkaiba yung gusto nila. Ang pwede kong i-example dyan is yung LGBTQ issue. Like whether it's good to have same-sex and marriage or not. So, lover's card for me is allowing same-sex legal union, pero not necessarily marriage na simbahan kasi that will offend the religious people. Tapos, unfair din naman kung hindi ipapakasal kasi let's face it, may mga LGBTQIA+ na mga members na lugi, like anong tawag doon, yung tinakwil ng pamilya, tapos nung nakapagpundar, nung namatay biglang sa pamilya yung yung naipundar, sa parang walang karapatan yung naging partner niya sa pagpundar ng mga bagay na yun. So, yun yung isang example na naiisip ko na how are you going to pacify group A without offending group B. So parang this is something very hard, pero ang ang emperor kasi, this is someone na he'll just look at the situation, alam ko na gagawin ko. It's just that for some reason, this may be regarding an issue na hindi ka sanay na ikaw ang magte-take over. Like hindi mo parang what's the word? Parang not interest. Parang hindi mo forte na ikaw ang magde-decide about that. Let's say for example, single dad ka. Tapos recently ka lang naging single dad. Tapos may away yung mga anak mong dalagita. Ganyan. Tapos hindi ka sanay to pacify both girls kasi yung pinag-aawayan nila maybe about makeup, maybe about dresses, maybe about cosmetics, ganyan, makeup na. Pero yun nga, parang hindi mo forte yun. Pero wala ikaw yung nandyan So parang fake it till you make it na lang. Pero with the emperor energy kasi hindi siya fake it till you make it Parang kailangan ko talagang aralin yan. So go ahead and do something about it. Especially if you're the only authority figure left to finalize a decision regarding that matter. Now, what do you need to if you're going to do as advised, possible outcome, may opportunity for you to grab na parang hindi mo na-grab before. So, if babalikan natin yung single dad, dalagita ng mga daughters na away, ito yung ang example nito is maybe hindi ka nagkaroon ng time to bond with your dalagitas. Tapos, ito yung nagre-resurface na opportunity na parang since nag-aaway sila, kailangan nilang ng attention mo. Parang grab it para magkaroon ng bonding with the people involved. Pero, yun nga, sample situation lang naman yun. So, whatever this may be, parang this is something na you're not a pro. of this is not your forte, pero kailangan mong mag-decide regarding that matter. Pero yun nga, parang instead of thinking of it as a problem, think of it as an opportunity to learn something new or to finally assess the whole situation. Maybe kasi dati iba yung nakatoka dyan, hindi mo masyadong inaaral. Pero ngayon, andyan na yung opportunity for you na aralin yung situation, aralin yung mga pros and cons ng magiging decision mo. And who knows, this will be something that you can whatever this whatever lesson you're going to learn from this, who knows, baka in the long run maging ano mo siya, parang you will be grateful na naaral mo siya or natutunan mo siya. Okay, anyway, that's all for you. And again, if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. And this is a general reading, so take whatever resonates. Okay, that'll be all. Bye.